HOFF Sneakers Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. If you're shopping for stylish sneakers with a twist of lifestyle appeal, you might spot the product Entity product HOFF City Montreal sneaker or other HOFF models and think this looks cool, but is the price right? Most people get this wrong. They see bold design, assume premium cost, and forget to check what they're paying for. HOFF is a Spanish brand promising contemporary design, quality materials and fashion-forward aesthetics. Their site describes the brand as blending quality, amazing designs and truly fair prices. Such research on retailer listings use the original pricing around 120 or more, often discounted to about 70-90 or equivalent. Site circ. So what do you actually get for your money? Firstly, standout design. If you wear HOFF, your sneaker says more than just comfortable, it says fashion statement. Secondly, decent build and materials. Reviewers mention pseudo-textile combos and branded finishes. Circ. Thirdly, exclusivity of style. HOFF is everywhere, so you avoid everyone has the same sneaker effect. But what are you giving up or balancing? Price is higher than typical mass market sneakers if you compare basic lifestyle sneakers at 5070. HOFF models imported converted might run significantly higher once taxes, shipping and currency convert. The value depends on how much you value design over pure utility, comfort, durability. Resale. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Check local cost or landed cost in your region. India. Check duty shipping if importing. Step 2. Compare with other sneakers offering same function, comfort, support at lower cost. Step 3. Ask yourself, am I buying for dressing fashion or for everyday performance? Step 4. Check resale or wear value. If you wear them often and style matters, the cost spreads out. You won't believe what happens next if you treat them like generic sneakers. You may pay premium, but get only average durability. The surprising truth is the value is more about style and brand than about performance. In conclusion, if style, uniqueness and design are priorities for you and you're ready to invest, HOFF sneakers can deliver great value. If you want high performance for the lowest price, you might find better cost efficiency elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more footwear pricing explained and what you're really paying for.